Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add cinematic black bars in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut, click on new project, click on import, and you need to select the video. So I added this video into the timeline. So now you simply need to go back to the browser and search for black bars, and you can find different black bars here. So first you simply need to click on tools, and here you can see different black bars, but I recommend you to download the one that is copyright free. So you simply need to download the one that have not any issue of copyright, so that you not face any issue in the future. So for that you simply need to click on usage right, and here you can see commercial and other licenses, creative common licenses. So here you can see you can use any of these, so it is up to you. Okay, so once you select it, you simply need to click on import. So here I already import one from Google, so here it is. So let me apply. So here you can see the final result. So this is the before, and now let me show you the after. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.